yesterday, you guys, I showed you the video on how to make the pita bread. And so yesterday I made the dough. With the dough, I let the dough rise, and then it rose for like an hour. And then after it rose, I formed it into the little balls. And after you form it into the little balls, you have to let it rise again. So I didn't want them to rise because I wanted them to be, I didn't need them at that time. So what I did is I did the little balls, I put them in the refrigerator, and what the refrigerator does is that it stops the process of it rising again. So it kind of like slows it down because it's cold in there. So that's what I did. So now I took them out an hour before. So I got up at 7, and I took them out so they can be ready to roll. They're nice and soft. It's so pillowy, so soft, so we can roll them. This is the pita bread, okay? If you guys sauce, which I have all this stuff here. Actually over here. Okay, so yesterday I peeled and grated a cucumber, and then I sprinkled it with some salt, and that's what it looks like. Very liquidy. It smells like pepino con sal, you know? That's what it smells like. So this is what I used to grate it. Now what I want to do is I want to remove that excess liquid. So I have a bowl, and I have some cheesecloth here. This is special cloth for like straining. You could use a towel too, just make sure it's a clean one. So I'm gonna put the cucumber in there. And I'm just gonna squeeze all the water out. Look at all the water that comes out. It's like agua de pepino, you know, cucumber juice. The reason behind this cloth, the cheesecloth, it's for making cheese. You put the cheese in there and you squeeze out all the moisture, and that's how they make cheese. The cheesecloth. There was a lot of liquid, look. And this all... So I have some tasting spoons here. I'm gonna taste for salt. Just a little bit. So good. Very garlicky. Okay, so our sauce is ready. This is gonna go inside the pita pocket. Okay. I'm sure it would taste like 100 times better if we had the fresh dill, but we don't, because Soledad doesn't have any. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna take out this pita bread. Looks like it's ready. It actually smells like pizza in here, like pizza. Someone's cooking pizza. Okay, that's ready. I'm gonna put the other one in here. Okay, now I'm gonna start with the chickpeas. Okay, I wanted to show you the difference with the chickpeas. These are dried chickpeas, half a cup. I soaked them last night in water, and this is what they look like. That's half a cup as well, so the difference in how much they grew is a lot, okay? So half a cup. I have my food processor. So I'm gonna put them in the food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can use a blender, la licuadora. Okay, so chickpeas. Salt, and I will taste it before I start forming the balls, and black pepper. Okay, I'm gonna put this on the processor. Okay, hope this wakes you guys up. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to test to see if they hold together into little balls, because otherwise you're going to fall apart in the fryer. So they kind of do hold up, so I think that's good. I'm going to switch them over to another bowl. smells like Gavilan pizza in here. Look, it's only 8:30 and we're almost done with the whole meal. That's what happens when you prep a day ahead. Let me give this another spin because I just saw that there are some chickpeas. There were some chickpeas under the blade that did not get processed. Okay, so hopefully that does it. This is a vegetarian dish, by the way. I don't think it's vegan because of the sauce, but you can always keep the sauce out. And it's really good for you because the chickpeas have a lot of protein in them. Guys, if you want to find really nice plates, I would go to Goodwill. That's where I get my plates. It's really important too, the kind of plates If you want your food to look good, to look nice, your plates really do play a good. In here, but I didn't have any. I thought I did. And then we're gonna take our falafel balls in here. I think I'm just gonna do 2, otherwise it's gonna be hard to bite. And then some of the sauce. Okay. And that would make your lunch. Okay? Falafel sandwich. Now, another way you could serve this would be probably to serve some sauce here. And then just serve the falafels. Like, let's say you have a friend who's doing the gluten-free thing, and they don't want bread, they don't want pita bread. So just plate up the little balls like that, and you can impress them like this, okay? Kind of like a little appetizer. So I'm gonna go ahead and try them because no, you can't have the sandwich, if that's your question. Make your own. Okay, guys, I think that's it. We covered 3 things: the tzatziki sauce, falafel, and the pita bread. 3 things in less than, look, we still have 10 minutes, so you guys can do it, okay? I'm gonna let you guys go early. Make sure you do that exit ticket, and that's it for today. If you have any questions, just email me, and have a good weekend.